Hey guys, Audi555 here. Today I'm going to catch up with Krieger650 to help him fly his brand new drone, and I brought my drone as well, it's in my backpack. I've just realised that I've forgotten my phone and I'm running a little bit late, so we plan to be there at 9, but I reckon I'll be there at 9:24 now. A combination of me being tired in the morning and just going the wrong way basically. I took the wrong turn and went towards Sydney. Yeah, so I was on the way to Sydney and I was like, hang on a second, why am I going this way? So I had to keep going down all the way down the highway and then eventually take the next turn and come back all the way back again along the highway. So that was a fruitless adventure. So sorry Krieger650, I'm truly sorry that I've forgotten my phone. Actually, I've got two phones. I've got another phone in my backpack that I use for droning. Now the SIM card I've got in that phone doesn't have data, it's just one of those basic cheap plans that just does calls and text messages. Or I could use public Wi-Fi. There's a shopping centre coming up here. Let's roll. $5,000 for a house. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, it's a beautiful ride. Look at this scenery, it's nice. Bit of roadworks, but we're well and truly on our way again. 9:42 it reckons now, because I stopped at the shops to get that Wi-Fi, to then get the phone number from Krieger650's message he sent me on Facebook. I'm like 40 minutes late now. This is incredible. How did this even happen?
So I'm here at Robinson Pie Shop, which is a really awesome pie shop. A lot of motorcyclists come here, and I've had an awesome steak and pepper pie. Now it's time to sticker bomb the rubbish bin.
Who else is on the bin, man?
Hags, Krieger650, don't know that guy.
Nah, you don't know him.
Simon, the Rider's Life, Hire Rider, 2B on Roadie, Twitch, myself.
And that's just Willie's up.
It's upside down.
It's Willie's own, mate.
And now, two gentlemen go for a ride and fly drones. After a quick stop at an aviation museum to get some aviation expertise running through our veins, we're off to go and fly our drones.
I stalled it like a...
Oh dear, well at least you won't have to kickstart it.
We wouldn't want to stall a plane.
Oh, you are a funny chap.
Oh, do a wheelie. No, I was joking. With that braking stabilizer bar thing, whatever it is, does that help with the front of the bike as well? So if you did accelerate really hard, it wouldn't lift?
Yeah, it doesn't lift as much as like a sports bike would, if that makes any sense.
Yep. Cool.
Cheeky bitch. But yeah, when I take off it, if I do this, if I ease the clutch out, you'll give it a bit of power while it's sitting here.
Oh yeah.
It climbs.
Yep.
Whereas yours would just sort of dig in.
With the front brake on?
Yeah, with the front brake on, ease the clutch out, give it a little bit of power, you'll feel it running close.
Yeah.
Or in mine.
Bike goes up, bike goes down.
I'd be surprised how often I use the clutch instead of trap lights to block the sun.
It's clever. I like it when there's like a truck there or something and you just pull up next to it. Yeah. Sometimes if I'm on the bike and there's heaps of traffic and there's like a truck there and I'll pull up in the shade of it, but then there's other traffic in this lane, they think I'm trying to lane filter through, so they like move over and I just feel really guilty. So I'm like, oh, do I just lane filter now or do I sit here in the shade? Do you find that you are someone that pulls on the handlebar or pushes? I'm primarily a puller. Oh, a good one. I'm on a cruiser. Off-road action. Yeah, here would be a good spot to take off from and land because it's
Solid.
yeah.
Ground.
Whereas grass here, it's pretty uneven, and you could land it there, but it's gonna make it pretty tricky. Yeah. No, but it's a good ride, and I love riding. Yeah, this is definitely. Well, there we go, guys. Thanks, Krieger650, for the awesome day. We did a bit of droning, a bit of riding. It was fun. Alright, guys, as usual, keep safe out there on the roads. Stay on two wheels and dodge your head, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Later!